Now we'll go ahead with the unboxing. So let us see. There are two protectors here which we'll remove. This feels quite heavy. Let us remove the contents. So these are the box contents we have here. First of all, this is the user manual, which will have all the details on how to operate the speaker and its accessories. We have the charger here, which obviously, as you can see, has a specific jack here. So for this they have provided an adapter, which you don't have to actually open this. For that you have to actually take it back, and this goes on like this, and you have the charger here, and we have the USB to micro USB connector here, which you can use to transfer songs to the speaker and probably charge it from your laptop as well. See that there are a number of ports and jacks here. So this one's the power in port. You can, as we showed you the adapter earlier, that goes in here. One is the aux in. You can add your headphone, any aux output jack here. This is the DC out, as in it's a USB port here. You have the micro USB port here for a certain purpose, which somebody who will be doing the voiceover is going to talk about. And you can insert a micro SD card here. As you can see, it says micro SD. Moving on to this section, you have a number of buttons here. Small toggle here is the mic on and the mic off toggle. I think it acts like a mute button basically when you're recording. So you can toggle it in between the two. And here you have the recording start button and the recording pause button, which function like any normal recording start and pause buttons, I guess. Here you have a toggle in between shuffle and repeat loop basically. So this is the track button, the next track and the previous track, which is going to work when you're using these modes. Here you have the simple play pause button. This is obviously the simplest and the most obvious button here. We don't need to tell you what the purpose is for this. And here you have the Roar boost button. Basically it will boost the volume and the bass and the overall performance of this speaker by a certain. Now you have a toggle here which toggles in between the USB audio and the mass storage. Obviously if you switch in between these two, the source of the audio changes. Now we move on to the back of the speaker, which doesn't have much. You have some information and the tag here. So, and on the side of the speaker you have the creative branding, which acts like a woofer. This part is the subwoofer here. So we'll find out about the performance when we play it. So, and on the other side of the speaker we have the other subwoofer. So that's about it for the sides, and below the speaker you have the creative branding. So that's the product. So now we'll fire it up and we'll see how easy it is to set it up. So as you can see, it's in the pairing mode and it's trying to find a device to connect, which I'll have to do from my phone. And you can see that the song is playing. That's about it. Check the volume. So it has a good range of volume as well. We'll have more details in our review.